What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the AI Marketing Navigator. This is your daily compass in the ever-evolving world of AI marketing. Okay, navigators, we're going to keep rolling with the AI tool theme this week and just lean into it today with another quick episode highlighting a really cool looking AI tool called Supa Demo. SUPA demo. Love the name. But this tool is an AI enhanced or AI powered product demonstration tool specifically for SaaS demos, really, by the looks of it, for the most part. But we talk a lot about how we as marketers often wear many different hats in the businesses that we work in, especially if we're the marketer as well as the sole employee of the company. And so there are many of you out there who are most likely not strangers to having to create screen share demos or video demos or just product demos in general. Especially, again, when it comes to like a SaaS product that usually has multiple in-depth features and takes some time for the user to familiarize themselves with. Anyway, so Supa Demo seeks to take the capabilities of popular video capture tools like Loom or Vimeo, which allow users to quickly and easily record screen shares and personalized videos and kind of take that concept to the next level. And it looks like I think they're doing a pretty good job. So before we go through the product features and kind of just skim the site and check out a demo of Supa Demo, as usual, let's just do a little background on the tool or the company. The tool was founded by Joseph Lee in Kushik Marka and was apparently founded in Vancouver, Canada, and Kansas City, Missouri. It was started in 2022. Anyway, so right off the bat, on the website, they give us some use cases. I'll go ahead and share my screen for anybody who is watching. They give us some use cases which we love to see, and those include customer success, quote, reinforce learning by doing. They also have product marketing, which says showcase benefits upfront, sales enablement, or sales and enablement, qualify and close more customers, product onboarding, scale async onboarding. And they have another page here by the looks of it with some more use cases, like qualify and close deals, product-led marketing, which is a big one for us here on the AI Marketing Navigator, obviously. In fact, they give us exactly what we're looking for as well in the marketing use cases for the tool, saying it will allow, and let's see if I can just grab that page here. There we go. Saying that it'll allow us to increase conversions, drive MQLs with interactive demos, and track and measure user intent, which is a big one. And one of the reasons I wanted to call attention to this tool, obviously, is going to be using these demos for content marketing. An interactive, personalized product demo is a great lead generator tool and just a great piece of content that's evergreen and incredibly useful to your users. And the fact that you can track some analytics on them is all the more impressive. I love the idea of product demos as an entire marketing channel of their own. Supa Demo goes on to tell us that we can increase our MQL funnel by showing and not telling. Quote unquote, interactively showcase your product's aha moment on websites and outreach, reducing perceived friction and inaction. Embed click-through product demos in product blogs, websites, or marketing pages to drive interest for new and existing features. And I think one of the things that really differentiates this tool is the personalization part. I'm just going to jump back to their homepage here, but the personalization part of their little three-step workflow, which is to record, obviously, turn on Supa Demo and click through any product or workflow that you have. And the second one is to personalize, and it says here to enhance with AI or personalize the chapters or with chapters, branching, CTAs, and more. So that's a really cool feature to me. The fact that you can embed these demos within these demos, personalized content, like they gave an example here in an image about viewer-specific metrics or analytics. So you can create a demo, one video or one product demo, and use that demo for multiple people on your team or on your client team. And within that demo, each person can see information or data tailored exactly to them, showing them exactly how this product will be working for them personally And you can also control the branching or the logic of the demo for each individual user as well. Okay, a couple more features that I wanted to mention or highlight before we do the quick demo of Supa Demo. One is a team workspace. It says you can asynchronously share, organize, and collaborate on Supa demos as a team. You can add blurs and annotations, and it says you can easily redact sensitive info or annotate screens directly within the editor. And that's a super great feature, I think. I mentioned before that I did some marketing in like the healthcare and pharmacy industry at a previous job, and being able to remove any sensitive data or patient data from like demos or just screen share or recordings is a huge help and something that was pretty technically difficult, actually. They also have an auto translation feature. We love that. Anything that enables us to bring our marketing global or to other regions is great. A tagline here says, translate your product demos instantly in 15 plus languages with the power of AI. And then the last little feature that I wanted to mention is their AI voiceover. So you can elevate your demos with AI voice narration for enhanced and better user engagement, according to their little tagline here. Oh, and they also have some cool little stat breakdowns here. Apparently with the tool, their users are saving 8.6 hours per week. They've seen an increase in engagement of 250%. And there have been apparently 30,000 Supa demos created by teams so far. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and do their little 2-minute product tour. As always, I'll do my best to walk anybody through who isn't listening or is listening and not watching through the features, or we can listen to them explain if they have some audio here. If you aren't able to check out the video, definitely check out the link in the show notes and feel free to skip ahead here. I won't blame you.
To create your first Supa demo, turn on the intuitive Chrome extension. Then simply click through your product. Your clicks and actions are magically captured, with automatic text descriptions added for each step. Once you stop recording, a Supa demo is created in seconds, ready to be personalized.
All right, you heard it yourself. That was a Supa demo right there, apparently, and so that's how the features work and the tools work. I think it's an effective way of communicating something. We have a few options here that you continue. You can continue with the tour or try it yourself. And I think I'm going to leave that one up to you guys. And definitely check out the link, like I said, in the show notes. Let me know what you think. And let me know how you're going to be using Supa Demo to enhance your product demos or your marketing material. Okay, so that does it for today's episode. If you enjoyed the show or found it useful in any way, please do me a favor and follow on Spotify or subscribe on your podcast platform of choice. A review on top of that would be even more impactful and so super helpful. So until next time, and as always, thanks for joining me, and remember to stay curious, stay consistent, and keep navigating forward.